Morning, gang. It's your boy Rico. We back with another video. And first things first, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and share. It's my son right there. Say what's up.
What's up?
He in there watching Animal Planet, so that's what y'all hear in the background. But like I said, don't jump because look, as you can tell, my jaw is swollen. This side is kind of went down, but I just got 4 teeth taken out, the wisdom teeth taken out, and you can probably still see it. Look. Right here, this side right here is swollen. But like I said, guys, make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. I got like 3 items I gotta install in the car, so I will be installing those today, but they will be in different videos, of course.
Yep.
And say what's up to Prophet, y'all. Prophet the cut. But yes, y'all, you guys see what we're installing today, so let's go ahead and get it started, man. Let's go. Alright, gang, so like I said, look at the car, man. It's like torn up, right? Because today's video will be about a lip kit. Well, today I'm gonna do a lot of videos. I got all these things that go into the car taken off. I took this piece off, this piece right here that goes right there. I took it off because a while back, a driver, he like a truck, like something fell off his truck and hit my car right there, that piece, and it broke it. So I ordered this aftermarket piece a while back, but I painted it and all the paint started coming off because of rocks. You can probably see it, like rocks and stuff. So I'm gonna be installing this new lip kit on it, and then like I'm gonna be installing this new lip kit, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna start this new lip kit, so I might as well just repaint it. And I have the box over there, and I have a couple more boxes over here that I had. That's some more stuff I gotta install. So I'm gonna go ahead and race this car and start working on it. And I will probably be doing like 3 different videos today, and like I will be installing them like in different. I mean, I will be doing the installation today, and I'll be doing 3 different videos today, but I will be posting like videos separately like I've been doing before. So I'm gonna go ahead and lift the car up, put it on the ramp so I can install this lip kit, and yeah, let's go. Alright, guys, so the piece is in there. Like I said, I repainted it, and now I just installed that. I just gotta put these 2 screws that go in the back. In case it ever happens to you guys, the screws go right here behind this little plastic, as well as this one. So just in case that ever happens to you guys. So there's the lip kit. It is a 3-piece.
I'm back.
And so is Profit. So matter of fact, it's a 4-piece. It's 1, 2, 3, and then 4 the rib piece. And it look like it fit right on the money, man. So now I'm gonna have to screw it in there, and just pray that it works, that it fits. So let's go ahead and get that drill, Jay, and you know, start putting. Look, where the screws at? Oh, right there. It comes with screws and everything. So it is carbon fiber, y'all. So so yeah, let's go. Let's go ahead and drill it, Jay, and we're gonna install it, man. So look, we got more personal fans over there. So yeah, y'all. So let's go ahead and install it, drill the screws on it, and make sure it fits. Alright, guys. Like I said, the lip kit is on. It didn't fit like the description said it would fit, but it's whatever. I don't care. So this is what it looks like. See, it's way off, man, but it's all good. I'll probably get tired of it and take it off and then get a different one. So it don't matter. Probably just keep it on for a couple days. What you guys think? What you think, Prophet? You like it? But yeah, y'all. Now on to the next project. So it's over here. Got 2 boxes right over here. You guys think you guys know what it is? I don't think you guys know what it is, but that's it for this video, guys. This is like a quick video. It was only like, it took me like Thank you for my help over there. Big help. You know what I mean? So I appreciate them for helping me out all the time. But this is it for this video, guys. A little quick video of the installation of the lip kit. It looks very dope. Like I said, it's a 4-piece. 1, 2, 3, and then the 4. So I'm gonna go ahead and look at how filthy it is, y'all. I haven't washed it in a long time because I've been working on it a lot. So the brakes, you know what I'm saying, are still good. So I haven't even taken it out. Guys, do you think I should put the toe strap on it again like I had it before, or should I keep it like this, or with a toe strap? Comment down below, guys, with the lip kit.